Guys, welcome back to another video. Okay guys, this video is about other places that bed bugs can hide. I made a video about places they can hide. I don't think it's titled that. It's probably things that I've said in another video in reference to something else. But I had two comments on some previous videos stating some places that bed bugs were hiding. Now I do know that they could hide in the curtain rods. I don't remember saying it in any other videos. I remember my very first video saying that when I called a pest control company and they sent someone out to do a free estimate, I do remember him shining a LED light up at my curtains, at the very top of the curtains. But that's all he did. He just shined the LED light across it, and that was that. So I kind of figured that they could hide up in the curtains or the rod because of that. But I do have a viewer that stated that they were nesting in her grandmother's curtain rod, and she said a mass infestation, and how her grandmother found out she was going to change her curtains and seen a few bed bugs, and come to find out that they were nesting inside the little opening part in her curtain rod. So that's another place that you could check if you have curtains through your house, which I'm sure we all have curtains somewhere in our homes, all depending on where you're getting bit and things like that. The bedrooms, I would check the bedroom curtain rods. I would check the living room and dining room curtain rods. I would check them all. I don't see them actually being in the kitchen because you don't spend a lot of time in the kitchen. But you never know. You never know. You can check everywhere, but checking inside the curtain rod is another place. And I also had another comment, and both of these comments came today. And I might not be, this video won't be uploaded today. I actually record it, but it won't be far after. Another comment that came today was from a young lady that spoke about bed bugs in the hair. Now I did get a question from a young lady before about bed bugs and can they nest in your hair? And I did a little research, and through research I saw that they can bite you in your head because they will bite anywhere they can suck blood, but it said it wasn't likely for them to nest in your head. So this particular person stated that that I forgot to mention that bed bugs could nest in the hair. She's saying that people with a lot of hair, bed bugs can crawl into your hair while you're sleeping. And she said one was living inside of her hair, and it was biting her in her head. And she decided to spray some alcohol in her hair, and he fell out her hair. And he was dead when he fell out. It said, so please check your hair. So through research, it was saying they wouldn't likely nest in your hair, but they will bite you in your head. This young lady is saying one was actually nesting in her hair, and she was getting bit repeatedly. And when she decided to spray alcohol in her hair, it killed it and it fell out. So what she's saying is, for those of us who have a nice amount of hair, that they could possibly nest in your hair. And I would say this, those who wear wigs, because wigs is a lot of hair. So we know we learn something new every day, and research only is research. But when you come across someone that has actual proof of things, then yep, you want to bring it and let people know, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. So now, as I'm learning that, yep, they'll nest in your head too. You got hair there covering it, and like I said, wig. You barely touch wigs, and certain hairstyles we barely touch. We might not touch it for a little while. So, like I say, you learn something new every day. So another two places that they can hide in your hair, nest in your hair. If you have a nice enough hair, if you wear wigs, I would say wigs as well, because wigs is a lot of hair. And they can also hide on the inside of curtain rods. Okay, guys, so that's what I came back to let you guys know. And as I find out more information, I would bring it back to you as I always do. So see you on the next video.